So, gonna take my old, long, ugly antenna off, put on my new Ronin factory 50 caliber bullet antenna. So I'll get a video of that and see how it looks afterwards. So to get the antenna off, all we have to do is get a little flathead, pry this out a little bit, and then just take a nice pliers and loosen this up and unscrew it. And then all you have to do is match up when you take the new one. You match up whatever size this is with one of the selected size screws they give you, which it's looking like it's the small one because the big one looks way too big. And then just read your instructions, because if you put it in wrong you can't get it back out. So got our antenna here. Gonna screw the red side in. That's what it tells you to do. So, and then I'm gonna try to put mine back over with this rubber gasket just so it stays, which I can't even see down in there. I don't know how people are really doing these, to be honest with you. I don't think there's any way that's gonna fit. So got the bullet on finally. On these 11 to 16 Fords, there's like a little rubber gasket there. I mean, it doesn't really prevent anything, but I kind of wanted to keep that on, so we just trimmed it up a little bit and kind of put it around the bottom of the bullet, give it like a little bit of a cleaner look instead of just the open hole here. But it definitely looks a lot better than the huge antenna we had on before, so I'm happy about it. Goes along with the blacked out look I'm going for, and especially with this really see-through window there. And I got my Xeno performance sticker on, thanks to Johnny. He sent that to me, as along with the shirt that I'm gonna be wearing in a few videos. Everything I get through him is awesome. Shipping is super quick. He sent that out and I got it within 2 days, and he's all the way down in Louisiana, so everything he ships out is quick, good, and I can't be happier with that company.